Let me continue with this program. Now the last function to be written is display the details of employees whose age is greater than 30. Let me copy paste this function. Let me change the name of the function. Okay, now let me change the document string used to display details of employees whose age greater than 30. Now the file must be opened for reading purpose. Here you read each and every record, every list, and the list is displayed in the computer's monitor. Now in the new function, I don't want to display each and every list. If the age is greater than 30, only that list should be displayed in the computer's monitor. So if age greater than 30, a list contains three elements: employee number, employee name, and the age. To get employee number, L of 0 will give you the employee number, the first element of the list. L of 1 will give you employee name, the second element of the list. So in order to get the age, L of 2 will give you the age, the third element of the list. So here we can write L of 0, 1, 2, L of 2, the third element of the list, age. If age is greater than 30, the list must be displayed. Otherwise, you don't need to do anything. So just write an empty statement. So this is the modification required. If the age is greater than 30, the details will be displayed in the computer's monitor, otherwise pass. So this is the last function that you require. Now you are in a position to write the main function. Whenever you write a menu driven program, infinite while loop must be there. Step 1, the menu should be displayed. For that you can call the function menu. Now read your choice. So you can call the function read choice. Now if choice equal to 1, for the time being you can write pass. Later we will change that. Elif C equal to 2, display the file. For the time being pass. If C equal to 3, age greater than 30, that should be displayed. For the time being pass. If C equal to 4, you should exit from the program. For that you can use break. Break takes the control outside while loop. Outside infinite while loop there are no statements, so in a way you exit from the program. And if you enter a choice other than 1 to choice, wrong choice. So here you can write menu does not contain this item. Okay. Save the file. Now let me replace the first pass. If choice equal to 1, a list should be inserted into the binary file. First you need to read the list. So L is equal to R list. Now the list should be inserted into the binary file. For that you can call the function write data. Certainly the list must be passed. Now in choice equal to 2, you can display the binary file, and for that you can call the show function. So here let me call the show function. Again, if choice equal to 3, display those lists where the age is greater than 30. So you can call this function. And before displaying the list, you can display one message also. Print details of employee whose age greater than 30. Now you save the file, you run the program F5. Certainly you should start with option number 1, insert the data. Enter the employee number 10. Enter the name of the employee, maybe Joe. Enter the age of the employee, 35. Again, let me use option number 1, inserting the data. Enter the employee number 20. Enter the name of the employee, Ben. Enter the age, only 25, so it's below 30. Now let me display the file, option number 2. You can see both the data, only two lists are there, list 1, list 2. Now age greater than 30, which means the first list alone should be displayed. So let me use option number 3. Yes, you can see list 1 contains the details of employee whose age is greater than 30. Now let me insert one more data. Employee number maybe 30, name of the employee Sam, age 45. Now if you display the file, all the 3 records are displayed. Now if you make use of option number 3, you can see 1 and 3, list 1 and 3 displayed, because for those employees the age is greater than 30. Now if I enter an option other than 1 to 4, if I type 99, menu does not contain this item, and in order to exit from the program you can use option number 4. So this is the complete program. For the theory exam, you need to concentrate only on the respective function. The question will come like this: write a Python function to display the details of employee whose age is greater than 30. So you need to display only this much. So kindly make a note of this one, reading the complete data from the file. So you made use of an infinite while loop. When end of the file occurs, this will throw an end of the file error. It is caught here, and if an end of the file error occurs, or if end of the file occurs, there isn't anything to do, so pass empty statement. Finally, whether an error occurs or not, the file should be closed once the purpose is saved. So this is how you write a complete menu driven program to implement binary file.